Hi friends, in the last videos we covered square pattern, right angle triangle pattern, inverted right angle triangle, pyramid, inverted pyramid, diamond, like multiple patterns we covered, sir. Now the next thing what I have to discuss is sir, half diamond pattern. What is the meaning of half diamond, sir? Right half diamond, left half diamond, like what it means. Observe carefully. Suppose if I can take n is equal to 4, sir. N is equal to 4. My requirement is, observe a bit very carefully, sir. N is equal to 4. Okay. Here just this is something like right angle triangle. Are you getting? First off, this is something like right angle triangle only. Now don't feel it is our required pattern. No, sir, my required pattern is, okay, observe a bit very carefully, sir. Now here this is about my requirement. Have you observed? If you consider this one, how it looks like, okay, here this is something like, okay, this is the shape what we are going to get. So how you can write the code to generate this type of pattern? Very simple. Here observe, n is equal to 4. Let me divide into two parts. Sir, this is top part, this is the top part, and then this is the bottom part. Okay, this is the top part and this is the bottom part. Sir, top part something like a right angle triangle. Okay, like so let me generate, so up to top part, top position, and then later we will think about this one, sir. So now here in the top position, how many rows are available? 4 rows are available. That's why n is equal to 4 rows, right? Now enter a number. Now for I in range of, n, sir. If n is equal to 4, what are various possible values of n? Are I are 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I values are 0, 1, 2, 3, like this, right? Now I is equal to 0 means first one, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, sir. Okay, well, sir, every time what we are taking star, sir, here 1 star, here 2 stars, here 3 stars, here 4 stars we are taking. So how many number of stars we are taking? How many stars we are taking, sir? Can you please consider? Sir, first 1, next 2, next 3, next 4, like this I am taking. Sir, total how many stars we are taking, sir? So I plus 1 number of stars. If you want number of stars here, number of stars is I plus 1 stars we are taking. I plus 1 stars, that's all. Next, is it, sir, same symbol only, nested loop is not required, remember. Now, so for I in range of n, print star followed by space. How many times we have to take, sir? Star followed by space, we have to take I plus 1 number of times. Are you getting? How many times we have to take? I plus 1 number of times. Just because of this for loop, okay, top portion of our required pattern completed, sir. Means right angle triangle by default is going to be completed. Let me cross check this one, sir. Have a look once. N is equal to, sir, input, enter a number for I in range of n, sir. For I in range of n, print star followed by, sir, how many star followed by space? How many times we have to take this symbol, sir? I plus 1 number of times. Okay, I plus 1 number of times, right? Sir, now let me execute this code, sir. If I can execute this code, what is the answer? What is the output you are going to get is, yes, observe, enter a number 4, sir. Yes, first off is ready. Are you getting? Sir, first off itself is ready, sir. First off of the pattern is ready. Now let me consider, sir, 5. Yes, let me consider 10, like, sir, first off is ready, sir. Okay, well, sir, now what about second half? What about second half, sir? If you observe, in the first half 4 rows already covered. But in the second half, we require to consider only 3 rows. Only 3 rows. 3 rows. 3 means n minus 1 number of rows we have to take. Okay. Now let me take for loop, sir, for the second half, for I in range of n minus 1. For I in range of n minus 1. Okay, like we have to take. Sir, if n is equal to 4, then the possible values of I are 0, 1, 2 only. Because range of 4 minus 1 means 3. Range of 3 I have to take. That's why. So here observe carefully. I is equal to 0. I is equal to 1. I is equal to 2, sir. 0, 1, 2 like. Now, how many stars I have to take? Can you please confirm? If n is equal to 4 and I is equal to 0, then 3 stars are there. If n is equal to 4, I is equal to 1 means 2 stars are there. N is equal to 4, I is equal to 2 means only 1 star. Can you please spell out number of stars is? Now you have to frame some formulas. Which formula is going to satisfy all possible combinations like you require to consider? Can I take, sir, here n minus I minus 1 number of times? N minus I minus 1. Can you please correct check? 4 minus 0 means 4. Again minus 1 means 3. Yes, 3 stars are same. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 means, sir, 3. Again minus 1. Sir, are you getting 2 stars? So, this formula is going to fulfill our requirement, right? So, in every row, how many stars we have to take, sir? N minus I minus 1 number of stars we have to take. Okay? Well, observe carefully. Print star followed by space. How many times we have to take? N minus I minus n minus I minus 1 number of times we have to take, sir. That's all. So the first one talks about top part. The second one talks about bottom part of the pattern. If I can consider both, then our job by default will become very easy. Clear for all of you, right? Have a look once. Here I'm taking what is the remaining of, sir, for I in range of n minus 1. For I in range of n minus 1. Print of star I'm taking into. Print of star I'm taking into how many times, right? N minus I minus 1. Sir, this number is very familiar. This formula is very familiar, sir. Even multiple times we used it in our last examples also. Now have a look once. N is equal to 4 I'm taking, sir. Yes, for a fact. Have you observed, right? So right hand side of, sir, right hand side of, okay, diamond pattern, right half of the diamond we are getting, sir. Are you getting? This is the right half of the diamond. Okay, like n is equal to 5 I'm taking, sir. Then automatically like, sir, n is equal to 10 I'm taking. N is equal to 10 I'm taking, sir. Can you please observe that? For a fact it's going to work, sir. So this is the code related to right of diamond pattern, right of diamond pattern with the star symbols, right? Everyone can able to understand, right? Any doubt?